Your email inbox may be loaded up with a ton of messages from various organizations that offer you items that can enable you to procure a large number of dollars in a brief time frame. You don't know whether you can accept these emails, and you need to know reality with regards to the online pay devices and techniques. Likewise with some other business, online business additionally requires a few speculations. Be that as it may, the ventures for online organizations are a lot lower than for conventional organizations. You have to realize how to utilize some basic deceives and how to pull in guests to your site. The most significant approaches to profit online will be online shops, member advertising, paid overviews, article composing, social showcasing systems, and different types of item advancements. A portion of these strategies are simple and they don't require a lot of preparing. On the off chance that you truly need to win cash online quick, you have to get enough learning assets and utilize the hypothesis buy and buy. Online shops are exceptionally well known and they can enable you to win cash quick, in the event that you have great and intriguing items. It isn't sufficient to have fascinating items, you additionally need to realize how to do the great showcasing. Informal communities are the correct spots to advance your items and find new clients. Member promoting is one of the most well-known approaches to gain cash on the web. It is a straightforward strategy that enables organizations to discover their clients through partners. As a partner, you are liable for the advancement of various items. Each time you lead a client to a dealer's site, you will get commissions. Various items have various commissions. A portion of the organizations are eager to pay up to 70% of the item's cost to the offshoots. You can utilize email rundown building, article showcasing, or your very own site to advance various items and procure cash on the web. Paid studies won't cause you to procure cash quick, yet they are a decent method to gain some additional money on the web. It is anything but difficult to fill the online reviews, and you don't have to have any uncommon learning to do it. You simply need to respond to some basic inquiries that will enable the organizations to take in progressively about the input from their clients. Social showcasing systems offer numerous potential outcomes to procure cash on the web. You can make gatherings and draw in supporters to your gatherings. On the off chance that you furnish the individuals from your gatherings with some fascinating substance, they will be glad to tell you. You can elevate various items to the individuals from your informal community gatherings. Click the link in the description for more information.